Hello guys, welcome to Planet X Pictures. Today we are going to create this, and hopefully you will learn some cool tricks. So let's jump into the video. This is going to be the background image for this video, and as you can see this is not filling up the entire area of the canvas, and I don't want to scale it up. So we are gonna create a copy of the floor by pressing Ctrl and J, and then move it down and scale it up. We are going to do the same for the wall. I think you cannot see any difference here because the whole wall is white. Now clone the areas which are looking bad. Now place the model on the image. He is looking good, but I don't like his face. I think he seems to be a little serious. So I'm gonna give him a new face. Mask out the area of his face and then invert the mask. Now place it over his original head. And erase unwanted areas of his face. Adjust the color of his new face so that it will match his skin tone. This is the fun part, we are going to create that booster M31234 rocket. I'm gonna put a link in the description showing how to create a rocket like this. That is not my video, but I want you guys to learn. I don't care if it is from my video or someone else's. There are many other YouTube channels discussing the concepts of Photoshop in depth. Bring the rocket into our image and resize the rocket so that it will look like it's fixed on his legs. Then mask out the unwanted areas of his leg. Do the same for the other leg. This leg is looking a bit too small for me, so I'm going to create a duplicate copy of his legs and warp it. How can he go to office without a bag? So let's give him a bag. I'm going to use a cool trick to cut the image. Go to channels and click on the red, green, blue channels and look for the channel which has the most contrast between the subject and the background. In my case, it is blue, so I'm gonna duplicate the layer and apply a levels adjustment to add more contrast. Then hold Ctrl and click on the layer and go back to layers and create a mask and invert the mask. Create a duplicate layer of the bag and place it under the mask layer. And create a negative mask by holding Alt and click on the layer mask button. Use that layer to bring the lost details. That's it, now merge the layers. There is a white fringe going around the bag. So select the bag by pressing Ctrl and click on the bag image and go to Select, Modify, Contract. 2 pixel is okay for this image. Mask the bag. Perfect. Duplicate his hands and rotate it a little so that it will look like he is holding the bag. Mask out the unwanted areas of his original hand. Create a levels adjustment layer to darken the background. I don't like his position, so let's move him a little bit. The mask is not linked, that's why it is behaving stupid. Select all the layers and convert it to Smart Object. This is a non-destructive method of editing. You can create a new layer by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Shift-E. But we cannot make any adjustments to individual layers if we do like that. I like this way. You can do in your own way. Mess around with all the sliders until it makes you happy. If you click the Smart Object icon, you can see that all the layers are there and you can adjust any layers individually. I just cropped it, you don't have to crop it. It is not going to create any difference in the main image. I'm going to do a classic dodging and burning using curves. We don't have to do a lot in this image because the lighting already looks nice. After you finish this, you have to save this in Auditor to see the difference in the main project. Let me show how it is updating when you hit save. Go to Window, Arrange and select 2 up vertical. Now turn off the curves adjustment layers and hit save. See, our original file is updating. Go back to original file and create a duplicate copy of the layer. Then go to Filter, Filter Gallery and select Ocean Ripple. Slide the sliders to create an effect like this and hit OK. Create an inverted mask for that layer and with low opacity brush, paint the areas underneath the rocket. It will look like hot air coming out. That is almost it, guys. Then you can do a little fine tuning here and there. And this is the final result. Hope you learned something from this video. At least, how to give someone a new face. Anyway, hit that like button if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And let me know what do you think about this video in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.